Whether it's in the office, the shop floor, or even at home in the garage, workstations are everywhere. They play a critical role in our everyday lives, and the most effective and efficient ones are those that are pre-planned and custom tailored to the user. And when it comes to custom, there's no better solution than 80/20. Welcome to Extreme DIY, brought to you by 80/20. Today, we're going to take a look at one of our more popular user solutions, the custom workstation. Now, the right workstation not only increases productivity, but it reduces waste, optimizes space, and reduces safety hazards. So let's go meet with an expert and get a little deeper insight on what to look for in a good workstation. Hey Henry, how's it going?
Good, Andrew. How are you?
Not too bad.
So what can I help you with today?
Well, I'm looking to build a workstation, and I was wondering if I could get some pointers from you on how to design it.
Yeah, that's something we actually see a lot of.
Okay, so what's the number one thing when it comes to a workstation people look for?
Actually, something that might be a no-brainer, but it is customization.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so when most workstations that you see for sale have a set height, width, or just a basic table,
Okay.
using 80/20 allows you to customize something to the specific needs. So you won't have to reconfigure a whole floor layout.
Okay, so that makes a lot of sense. What else can you tell me about it?
Another concern that you might run into is ergonomics.
Oh, so something maybe that's adjustable in height?
Exactly. So you really want to take into account a person's primary work zone.
Okay.
A customized workstation that has everything a person needs in arm's reach.
Okay.
That's where 80/20 comes into play.
Okay.
Using the T-slotted profiles allows you to add things like pressure manifolds, monitor mounts, pegboards, really whatever makes the job easier for the person.
Okay, so something like mobility, is that something I should consider?
Yeah, I've seen both stationary and mobile workstations. It all depends on a specific task.
Okay.
If casters are a viable option, I highly recommend it. You may not always be moving your workstation around,
Yeah.
but if you need to reconfigure a shop floor or even clean underneath, that's definitely a good way to go.
That sounds like it can definitely help.
Yeah, any other questions that you might have for me?
I think you answered them all. I think I'm ready to start designing.
Great, so if you need anything else, just let me know.
All right, thanks Henry.
Thank you.
So after meeting with Henry and getting some insight, I think I've got a good design on a basic workstation. Now this design is going to incorporate casters for mobility, bins for hardware, a pressure manifold and pegboard for quick access to tools, a light, and finally, a place for my monitor and keyboard. So let's take a deeper look at our pressure manifolds. So this is made up of 4 main parts. We have our pressurized profile and our feeder, access, and stopper plate. Once assembled, the center cavity of our profile can be pressurized up to 150 psi. Now the way this works is we have the stopper or the blank plate on one end of our profile. Next, we have our access hole and our access plate on the side of our profile. This is where we connect our tools. Lastly, we'll connect our feeder plate to the opposite side of the profile and connect our source. All right, so I have my design. So let's see how this all comes together. We're going to start with the base and some casters. Next, we'll install our frame for our work surface. After that, we have our uprights, which will support our keyboard, monitor, bins, and pegboard. This pegboard will allow us to keep all of our most commonly used tools within arm's reach in our primary work zone, like Henry mentioned earlier. Next, we'll cap that off with our top portion and light. Finally, we'll finish it all off with our tabletop. Now for this panel, we went with our popular HDPE panel that we've used in past DIYs. This is durable and it's going to help hide scratches. So once we have this installed, we're ready to put our workstation to use. Now this is a basic workstation, and as with all extreme DIYs, it can be custom tailored to your needs. Things like wire management solution, tool holders, power strips, hydraulics, and more can all be easily integrated into your design. What's more, by using 80/20's products, you can easily add on to or reconfigure your workstations as your needs change. Having a custom workstation tailored to you allows you to optimize your space, increase productivity, and be more efficient. Whether it's in the office, the shop floor, or even at home in your garage, workstations are everywhere, and having the right one can make all the difference. Well, hopefully you found this edition of Extreme DIY helpful. If you'd like to download design files, a project plan, or get started designing your own workstation, please visit 8020.net. But until next time, make it a great day.